Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The team of PNC, led by PSI Rohan Madgaonkar, has conducted a raid at Saligaon, wherein one foreign national, that is Nigerian national, has been arrested. His name is Sunday. And we have seized narcotic drugs, that is LSD liquid, weighing approximately 64.91 grams, and MDMA, it is of 20.45 grams, and it is totally costing around 66.95 lakhs approximately in the international market. Same has been attached, and the case has been booked, and the accused has been arrested.
Was he involved in any previous case?
Previous other cases are there, but we are investigating on that point even. We are finding out the details.